Hi! Welcome to Platform Mastery. In this video, I will show you how to fix Alight Motion server connection failed. Go to your mobile phone setting, tap on Apps, and then go to Manage App. Select Alight Motion, go to App Permissions. As we can see here, no permission allowed. Tap on Music and Audio. Choose Allow. Tap on back icon and go to Alight Motion app. Tap on Storage and tap on Clear Data here. Don't forget to update your Alight Motion app. And then, restart your mobile phone. The Alight Motion server connection failed issue should be resolved. If not, share with us your technique. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded video. See you next time!